What is going on, world? I'm Tim. I'm coming to you from Cleveland Power and Performance here in the beautiful winter wonderland that is Columbia Station here in Ohio, beautiful tropical Ohio. And I'm coming to you today because we got a pretty cool project that we're going to be working on, and we're going to do it quick. On this trailer is a C6 Z06 Corvette that was involved in a bit of a fire, but it doesn't look like it was burned too bad. And this will make for a perfect donor. It's got a little snow on it. We'll go look at the other side of it. The pictures pretty much showed exactly what we're looking at here, that it was involved in a garage fire. Looks like something fell on top of it. And the pictures didn't look like anything was really wrong under the hood. I guess we're gonna have to see if it got hot or if somebody set it on fire on purpose for a specific reason, because that does happen. But what we're gonna do here, we're gonna get this C6 Z06 Corvette and turn it into a donor in 24 working hours, folks. That's right, the goal here is to get that Corvette from the burnt car that you see it on the trailer to the end of our driveway doing burnouts in less than 24 hours. Now, it's Friday, the car was delayed because of the weather. We wanted to have this done today, but due to the weather, the tower got a little bit delayed. The roads are not the best. So we're gonna do it in the 24 working hours, the 2 days of teardown, the 24-hour teardown. That's what we'll call it. We're gonna start now, and then we're gonna do the 24-hour teardown and get this thing ready for next week. We're gonna get the car unloaded. We're gonna get it into the shop. We're gonna assess the damage. We're gonna see what needs to be repaired and replaced. We're gonna make that happen. And then hopefully, and I think, fingers crossed, I think that we're gonna probably be able to do it. We'll be doing burnouts in the end of the driveway in less than 24 hours. So let's get the process started. Let's get the car off the trailer, and we're gonna go from there. Hopefully, when we come back, there's not as much of this on the ground, because I don't know if we're gonna be able to do many burnouts on this. We'll either be plowing snow or burning rubber. So let's get this thing off the trailer and we'll go from there. Are you excited?
Pumped.
He's pumped. Are you excited?
Yes.
Is he excited?
No.
Are you excited?
Yeah,
He's excited. I guess we'll take a look at it more while we're out here. See if I can get up inside of it. Doesn't look too bad, but it's hard to say while it's on the trailer and it's covered in snow, because all that really matters is what's going on under the hood. I mean, that's not all that matters, but that's the most important part in turning it into a donor, because it's all there structurally. Doesn't look like it got hit at all. Just looks like it got some hot stuff dripped upon it. Lou is going to do his magic here and just gingerly and gently pick this car up. Look right under here, it looks like it got some aftermarket suspension on it. I think we got a race car on our hands. Got something going on in the back here too. Billy bought exhaust, that's expensive stuff. So I guess that might throw a little bit of a wrench in the spokes with these aftermarket parts. We'll have to see if everything is worth keeping on the car or if we're gonna take it off. Hopefully we would just leave it on. Yeah, it's got no hood. What's going on under there? Is that an LS7 still?
It says it is.
The car came from Tennessee with no hood. Yeah.
Back of golf clubs.
The golf clubs?
Yeah.
Do you want them? So there could be a potential little hidden prize here with some golf clubs. Look at that. Oh man, they didn't even get burned.
Yes. Full back on this.
A whole bag of golf clubs.
Got me a new set of golf clubs.
We're gonna, you. All right, so they're gonna do all the finalization of the paperwork and whatnot here involving the tow and the delivery. And we're gonna take this thing in the shop. Obviously, we're gonna have to let it thaw out, and we're gonna see what we're working with. And then I guess we're gonna see what needs to be replaced and removed, and we'll go from there. So let's go. Let's get this thing inside. All right, let's go. Let's get it in and set it down. Closed. Thank you, Lou. He's done a fantastic job. Okay, door shut. What we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to let it thaw out, and we're gonna have to come back with you with the hottest burnt content. And when I say hottest, I mean because this car was involved in a garage fire. Look at that. Look at that boy go to town on that stuff. Yeah. We're gonna let this Corvette thaw out, and then these guys are gonna get to work. Next time we come back to you, they're gonna be tearing it down for the 24-hour teardown Corvette C6 Z06 burnt donor kart. All right, the Corvette has sat inside over the weekend and has thawed out. And now we have a better idea of what we're working with, but we still don't have a completely clear picture of what we're working with because we don't know what's going on inside that engine, underneath the car, in the suspension and all that. But we can get a better peek, you know, at the interior. And it looks like it's slightly burnt. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get that car on that lift, then we're gonna tear everything down. We're gonna take all the body panels off, get rid of that front bumper, get rid of those melted headlights, toss all the stuff that is all melted and gross, and we're gonna go from there. So let's get it on a lift and let's get it torn down. Time to check the engine oil on the LS7 here in our 24 hours of oranges, because it kind of looks like an orange. No, it's a cherry tomato. 24-hour tomato. That's what we should call it.
24-hour tomato.
The 24-hour fried tomato. Oh yeah. Looks like oil. There's one. There's two. Looks like oil.
No water.
No water. We're going to continue tearing down the 24-hour tomato at Cleveland Power and Performance. And we are live here at Cleveland Power Performance. This C6 Z06 donor, the tomato, the 24-hour tomato, is completely stripped down. It's been cleaned, as you've seen. Doors are off. We got all the parts off of it that we don't need. And we got everything on here that we do need in order to make it run and drive. Got a new dash in it. We got some new carpet going in it because it was soaking wet. So we're gonna watch the interior go in, and this thing should be running and driving today. And bam! Just like that, this hot item is done and it's ready to run, ready to take it to the end of our driveway and have some fun. This has been a journey, as you've seen, getting this burnt car in here, tearing it down, and getting it kind of roadworthy. I don't know if you'd call it roadworthy, but driveway worthy, burnout worthy. That part of it's done. It does run. We're gonna get it out. I'm gonna take some pictures here. Gonna do some smoky burnouts, so stay tuned for those. The 24-hour tomato clocked in at, I'm not sure yet. I don't know how many labor hours were put into this. We were waiting on some parts for a little bit, so it wasn't 24 consecutive hours, but we're gonna say 24-hour tomato because it sounds like 24 hours of Le Mans, and that's a race. And this was a race to get this done before the end of the weekend, and it is the end of the day Friday, and that's what it is. 24-hour tomato has been peeled, and the end result is about to be revealed, so stay tuned to see a smoky burnouts here coming to you from Cleveland Power Performance, and stay tuned for more fun here because we're gonna have it. You know we are at Cleveland Power and Performance. Good to go. Filming you now. All right, hey folks, we got Jake.
All right, well, we gotta get young Timmy. Hi.
Oh, we got a spectator.
Come on, here we go. He wants to see him.
Ha ha!